Warning, this video may contain naughty language. It may not be suitable for younger audiences. With all that said, let's start the show. Alright, let's skip this stupid cutscene. You probably know what's happening. So, it's time for the Kirby Star Allies No Eating Challenge. I'm actually gonna do this level on a brand new save file just to see what happens. Once that's finished, I'm gonna go back to my old save file so I can do the rest from there. I'll still show you how to get each of the rare picture pieces and I'm still gonna show you how to get each of the rare picture pieces and big switches, so don't worry too much. And this is why I wanted to start it on a new save file. Why I wanted to start Green Gardens on a new save file. Just to see if something happens, like something causes me to eat here or something. Although it probably won't. Okay, Poppy Bros Jr. is now our ally. Now, thankfully, getting abilities in this game is gonna be much easier. And I'll show you. Simply put, press Y to unfriend, take his hat, and bam, you get bombed. So you just have to friend heart someone, unfriend them, and then you get their ability. You know what I'm talking about? Of course you do. Anyway, I don't want the bomb ability, so but you know what I do want? The sword ability. Give me that shit. No, I wanted to keep you, you dumb... hold on, there we go, sword ability. And now he can use it to do... oh, no. That's another thing you should worry about. Your friends, unlike you, will love to eat, so... Your friends, unlike you, love to eat food they just find out of nowhere, and you don't want that. Okay, give me that Sir Kibble. Let's go. Good thing there were no foods there. There is a bit of a curve here, but because Switch emulators don't have yet the technology to use save states, we will have to... oh fuck. Yeah, this is something you should do in case one of your stupid allies eats food. You should guard. Aha! Yes, of course. Augment. Alright, Burning Leo, can you help us? Okay, cool, you did it too. Oh shit, okay, Sizzle Cutter. And finally... Sizzle Bomb. Alright. Okay. Oh no. Okay, friendly reminder. We are only focusing on the eats that we make. If our stupid helpers go ahead and eat, that is not our problem since we don't eat. But if they attempt to like kiss us while after eating, that does count as eating and is therefore banned. Okay, good. Okay, don't do anything. Surely the food will wait, I don't think that melon will disappear. Okay, good. Oh, anyway, here's a beam attack guy. Gimme. Oh, here's some... Oh, by the way, you can ride your enemies. I mean, your helpers. So that should be useful when it's required, okay? Beam blast that bitch, okay? I'm sorry, Sir Kibble, but it's your time to go. Your time has come. And now we get Bluster Sword. Trust me. Well, okay, don't trust me, I don't care. But oh, no. Okay. And that's the rare picture piece of this, world. Okay. And just like that, boom. You beat the first level, good job. Well, see you on the second. See you on Donut Dome. Okay, here we go. We start off Donut Dome with a water guy. A Dribbly, yes, that's their name. And I'm instantly gonna grab water, because water friggin' rules. Oh no, don't eat the hot dog. By the way, I am very glad to see that there is a 60 FPS mod. That is very welcome. Anyway, oh hell no! Don't do anything crazy, Blade Knight. Okay. I think the coast is clear. Aha! Stone. This guy's important. Make sure you grab that Rocky so you can do the so you can get the rare picture piece. Oh god. Okay, Rocky, now's your time to shine. Actually, bam. Ah, shit. Should've replaced the Blade Knight. I mean, should've Fuck! Okay, I got back from where the run died. Here is, okay. Okay, Rocky, let me augment you. Splash curling! Yeah! Oh. I thought one of them was gonna be the rare... whatever. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think keep him hanging for 10 seconds and he'll forget. So yeah, for the most part during these minimum eating runs, you're gonna want to go it solo. Unless you're required to have an ally with you, I suggest just not having one at all. The puzzle rooms usually give you the tools you need anyway, so you should be fine. With all that said, Anyway, here's this part. Come on, Rocky. Oh, fuck. It's designed like that. No worries. Oh, now, here's a little something I learned before doing this challenge. Yeah, you can actually make them a hat. Oh, thank God. I thought it would have a food spawn in front of me. With all that said, there is a bake switch, so now you don't have to... So now you can unlock the Dream Palace. Yeah, okay, and now, so yeah, there's the Dream Palace. Do whatever with it, I guess. Actually, oh yeah, I guess since I went up to John Bastion, I have unlocked most of the Dream Friends. Since I'm trying to do so, since I am doing this challenge, assuming you're just starting the game and doing this challenge, I'm gonna attempt to show you how to do it with only Bandana Waddle Dee, Rick Kine and Koo, and Marks and Gooey. Okay? So, here we got Marks. Oh yeah. We're gonna need Yo-Yo for this next one. Okay, I don't hate Honey Hill, but can I just say it's kind of boring. I don't know, just something about it. Okay, keep going. Okay. Okay. No stupid shit. Alright. Alright, Gim. Light it up. Oh, God. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank God. Thank penis. Well, so long, Burning Leo. You've been... Your services weren't worth it at all. Alright. Oh, and please excuse the screwed up textures. That's just the emulator. You can still play the game just fine, I think. Alright, up next. Actually... Oh, right, I can't unfriend. Maybe I should have done a better guide. Maybe I should have, There we go. Okay, good. Oh, look! Whip! But who cares? Oh yeah, pro tip, have like the left stick press be mapped to ZR, or in my case, RT. It's much better than having to press the L stick. Oh, actually? Alright, Bernie boy. Okay, thank you for your time. No! Okay, so I got a nearby gym to eat one of those foods up. Okay, that should make things a fuckload easier. Okay. No. Okay. Keep away from the Gim Demon. And soon enough, bam! Now we can unlock extra eclair for the extra stage hoedown. Whenever that will happen. Okay, that will do. Okay. Make sure not to eat, or else. Okay. Oh crap, it's a carrot. Wait. Hold on, wait till it's safe, guys. Or I guess it won't. You dumb... Oh yeah, that's right, it only affects people... It only heals those who aren't at full health. Anyway... Hopefully there is no food awaiting me as I try to get the rare picture piece. Hey! We go! Oh, I'm so totally fried. Nah, JK. Dark Games. Alright, now. I'm not actually gonna grab, actually... There we go. Wait, actually, no. Cause I'm gonna enter the Howl Room. Actually, Wesser. No. Ah. Damn it. Okay, good. Okay, it's safe. Oh, right, and there is the, Okay, there's the rare picture piece. Alright, keep going. Don't do anything stupid. It's worth noting that I'm actually a slither below full health. So if one of my allies eats, they'll likely come for me so they can share. And I don't want them to share their stupid food with me. So yeah. Ugh. Hold on. Okay. Oh no. God damn it, Burning Leo. Ugh. Okay. Okay, we're out of here. No! No! Okay, after hours of pain, I think I made it. So let's grab, yeah. Might as well take all of these and make them my... Oh! No! Everything wants to piss me off. Literally everything. Okay, no more messing around. We need to get to the Friend Star and defeat Wispy. Please, just no more floppy knockering around. There we go. But I still gotta beat it again. Oh, you don't know? I have to beat it again. It's for the... It's for the... God damn it, I can't think. It's for the Easter egg, of course. Wait, actually... Yeah, gimme! Alright. Okay. Meh. I don't need Parasol Waddle Dees. Okay. Nope. Welcome back, Kim. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Yes! Friend heart, friend heart, friend heart, friend heart. Okay, guard. Make sure all the food disappears. And bam, we did it. Okay, now. Now, Well, actually... Sure. Or actually... Nah. Okay, there we go. Alright, we got Cutter. Screw. Oh yeah, by the way, the reason I'm bringing Marks into this is because, well, Kine and Gooey both have the splash element, and King Dedede's arena has food that can be splashed to heal. This is very obviously illegal and not allowed. Unfortunately, it seems like I have lost my... Thank you, Marks. Now, Suplex is one of the best abilities in this game. Trust me, if you know the strat, it's very good. Nice! Nice clean throw. You'll love to see it. Hey! Anyway, oh no! 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 No. Ah, Jesus. Okay, keep your heel. Don't mess around with me. Okay, I think he's done. Well, actually... One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm back. This time, no funny business. That said, I'm not yet ready to fight King Dedede. See that? That was a secret room. And it leads to an extra room where we have to do even more wankering around. Okay. Well, Mark's just fucked himself. Don't worry, I can return him. Alright. Uh-oh. Okay, we Gucci. Don't. Okay, and now we leave. Get out of this stupid place. So yeah, make sure you keep your suplex. It's one of the best abilities. Because, well, I'll just show you as I fight King Dedede. It's gonna be nonsensical. Yeah, just spam B. Spam B. That's the... Okay, Marks is keeping him busy. And kaboom! We have defeated King Dedede. We can now have him as a friend. And that ends this part of the Kirby Star Allies Minimum Meeting Challenge. Oh yeah, better update the scores. Okay, see you next time when we... Hold on. Okay, there we go. See you next time when we tackle friggin' Planet Popstar. Until next time.